Hello everybody, this is your friendly neighborhood real estate investor, aka the specialist of opportunity himself, Richboywayne, and I am back. Once again. I know it's been a while, but I've been busy doing other stuff, so you know how it is. I'm just doing my thing and, enjoying life. Went on a couple of vacations, so feeling kind of relaxed, and I'm glad to be back because I wanted to give you guys an update, okay? So remember last month when I said that we started this account and, this is my baby. Well, I'm proud to announce that my baby is now 1 month old, okay? And already we've made some progress here. We've made a $2 gain and a 1% return in 1 month. Now, keep in mind that stocks are down right now. Like the stock market plunged, I think 700 points this week. So this is with it plunged like that. That's incredible. You only know it's gonna go up from here. So let's take a look. So Exxon is not doing too good. It is what it is. I mean, oil is down right now. I may just buy some more of that. I need to increase that actually, probably 20%. But we'll do that later on, okay? All these other ones are doing good. Amazon, of course, is doing good. It's probably going to be doing good going into the holiday season. So I'm going to keep that what it is at 15%. This is doing good. They're all doing good. Doing good. Now, my biggest performer has actually been Tesla, which I probably need to increase this. And actually, I think I'm going to increase this to something. As soon as I figure out how to do that. I'm still getting the hang of this, but I like M1 Finance because it allows you to build pies, and like I said, it's investing on autopilot. That's what I like about it. Okay, I don't know everything there is to know about using the application because I am new to this, but I'm learning as I go. So we're gonna go ahead and it wouldn't increase that Tesla. We need to buy some more Tesla. I think that's gonna be the runaway, the value over time. And as you can see, it's trending upward. If we look at the 1 year, it's just gonna go up. And I think it could go to well over $100 a share, if not more than that. So, just my 2 cents. Oh, wait a minute. That's not. The hell am I looking at? I'm going crazy here. It's $400 a share. Okay, I'm going crazy. Sorry about that. I was looking at this instead of this right here. So this is the price of it. I think it could go to $1,000 a share, personally. It's just my personal opinion. Anyway, let's go back. And so the stocks I have, I thought I had more. See if we can go ahead and edit. Maybe let's edit it. Here we go. Okay. So in order to do that, we're going to do this right here. We're going to boost that up to 10%. And we're probably going to boost this down to 10% to rebalance this portfolio. And hit save. So if you want to go in and change your portfolio, you can go into the edit and do like what I just did, and there you go, and that's it. Not even that difficult, and you can name it whatever you want. Like I chose Stratton Woodmont because of The Wolf of Wall Street. I love that movie, by the way. But you can name it whatever. I've seen people name it like Hold My Beer or something crazy like that, But you can name it whatever. And then for a description, hit my hand on that drawer. For a description, you can name it. You can put whatever description you want. So people have like several pies in their portfolio. I just have one because there's no need to be too complicated, But with that being said, I mean, that's pretty much it. Now, I am going to share my pie too. If you want to invest in what I invest in, by no means, by the way, by no means do you have to buy what I buy. Okay, don't get it twisted and think just because I invest in something that you have to invest in it. You don't. Okay, I invest in what I invest in. because of my personal beliefs in it. You know, I have strong reasons to invest in what I invest in. And I don't have a lot of money invested in this anyway. So as you can see, I only have like a handful of stocks. You know, when you're first starting out, you want to just have a handful of just good quality stocks. Then as you grow your portfolio, you can do other stuff like craft foods, for example, or some of the other ones people invest in, Starbucks or something like that. You know, but starting out, you want to just have a handful. I have all of FANG in here. For those that don't know what FANG is, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Google, and Microsoft. That's what FANG is. But I'll leave a link in the description for it too. And I'll also leave a link in the description if you want to sign up for M1. Yeah, I would highly advise you do so, because why wouldn't you? You know, and just have a separate account for everything. You know, have 2 or 3 investment accounts. I have an account with Robinhood. I have an account with M1. I have one with Fidelity. I mean, you know, you can have more than one account. You don't have to rely on your 401k. You can have several investments. Okay, it's fine. It's cool. You can invest and stuff. And right now, like I said, stocks are down right now. So there's no better time to get into it than now. Because when's the best time to buy something? When it's on sale, right? And right now, stocks are on sale. Especially this one right here. This is one I highly recommend, but you can invest in what you want to invest in. It's up to you. But that's my 2 cents. So if you're interested, go ahead and click on that link. And if you want to hear more videos from me, watch more videos from me, hit that subscribe button. And hit the like button if you like this video. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay? Alright, peace.
My city, I'm the realest one that's repping. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my word's been my greatest weapon. I know I've been the coast's greatest blessing.